Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The role of Muslim scholars in India's freedom struggle. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Respected teachers, honored guests, and my dear friends. India has a long history of struggle and sacrifice for freedom. Muslims, especially the scholars of Islamic madrasas, played an important role in this struggle. For many years, these scholars raised awareness among the people and encouraged them to stand against injustice and colonial rule. Among the famous Muslim scholars and freedom fighters were Shah Waliullah Dahlawi, Shah Abdul Aziz Dahlawi, Shah Ismail Shahid, Sayyid Ahmad Shahid, Hafiz Ramin Shahid, Maulana Qasim Nanotami, and Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi. We also remember Shaykhul Hind Maulana Mahmud Hasan Deobandi, Maulana Ubaidullah Sindhi, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Maulana Hasad Ali Mohani, and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. These great personalities made great sacrifices for the freedom of our motherland. Many suffered imprisonment, hardship, and other difficulties in the struggle for independence. Today we proudly remember their sacrifices. We should learn from their courage and honesty, love for the country. Our duty is to serve India through education, hard work, good character, unity and honesty. May Allah protect our country and bless India with peace, unity and prosperity. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
MashaAllah.